Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I'm back with another kit today. I want to say thank you to everyone who purchased my other kits this past week. My husband's having a little procedure done today, but everything's being shipped out tomorrow. So everything's ready to go, and I want to say thank you for that. So I'm back with a blue kit because I had done the pink one, and everybody seemed to like the color coordinating. So I'm going to do a blue one this time, so let me share with you, and I'm calling this one the I'm So Blue kit. Just for fun. Why not? So in this kit you are going to get this gorgeous, look at the sparkle. I mean, come on. That is beautiful. So pretty. So a lovely piece of that. And this is one of my favorites. It is a heavily beaded. This is heavy. There is metal beading on the bottom, and then the whole piece has these little metal sequins on them, and each one will have one of these beautiful metal beaded flowers. If I can hold it properly, there we go. Very, very pretty. I love this. That's one of my favorites. And another one of my favorites is this gorgeous aqua one, and it has the beautiful sparkly piece on the bottom, and then it has these metal embroidered flowers in silver, but the sari itself is like a very pale aqua color. So super pretty. Lots to do with that. And then this is another one that's in the same color tone, and it's got some gold threading, or pardon me, silver threading through it, and it has beading on it, and there goes my text. Sorry about that. It has beading on it. And then this is an irregular shaped piece, and I had a bit of this left, so I did cut it. And it's got all these beautiful beads on it. And then the piece from the back is still attached, so that's in like a navy, I want to say. Like a purple navy. More to the navy, but it does have a purple undertone to it. This is a gorgeous piece of sari satin with metal thread and sequins running through it. I hope that you can see the sequins in the metal thread. This is a beautiful piece, which I love. Look at these roses. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this piece. Who doesn't love roses? And then also another of my favorites right here is this beautiful silk. And it's like a purple background, but it's more to the blue side of the purple. And then it's got all these really beautiful paisley prints on it. Super pretty. And then this is another really pretty piece. It's in the navy, but look at the sparkle on there. So pretty. Very sheer and light, but because it has the sparkle in it, it makes it really cool. And I gave a big piece of this because I thought that this would be nice maybe for a journal cover. This beautiful piece of sari. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is one of my more recent finds, and I love it. It's so gorgeous. I mean, I even love that side, which is the wrong side, but it's pretty. It's so pretty. The colors are just so rich. I think that's what I love about them the most. And then there's a beautiful beaded piece here with sequins and little seed beads. Hopefully you can see that. There you go. Nice long piece. And then another of my favorites, again, they're all my favorites, I might as well just say. A beautiful beaded piece in navy, but these have metal threads, little tiny metal, I don't know if they're beads, but then it also has pearls on it. So it's a nice big piece of that. This beautiful piece of silk. pretty flowers on it. I love this one too. Look at this, so pretty. The little flowers on it. Some of the flowers are very sparkly. I hope that you'll be able to see those. There we go. And then it has like the creamy white flowers with it. And then this beautiful piece with the white and the teal and the gold. Big piece of that. And I want to mention that the silks might vary slightly in the kits due to how much of it I have, but you will get something just as beautiful, I can guarantee you that. So this one has this beautiful piece in it. It has a little piece of this. Has this gorgeous piece. Real silk, just beautiful. So light and just, like heavenly to touch. I mean, it's so soft and so thin you can barely feel it. It's just beautiful. I love it. And then this I love too. Look at that. I love it. And then this piece, which has the embroidery on it, and then this piece, which is also embroidered. So this kit is $12. So if you're interested, you may email me or comment down below. My email is in the description box. The kit is $12 plus shipping. So that's everything you get in the kit. I'll just put it back here so you can see everything. Love this piece. So there's a good selection of beaded pieces. And then this large piece, which would make a gorgeous journal cover. I mean, could you imagine? Make that into a journal and put that on the front. Like, how pretty. I mean, actually, I wouldn't even want to cover it up, but you could if you wanted to. And then they're great for making clusters, a snippet roll. You know, you could do anything with these pieces. I didn't count to see how many was in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 pieces. 22 pieces for 12 bucks. Pretty good. So let me know if you're interested. Thanks, guys. I'll be back with another one shortly. Bye.